Okay, so here we have the manipulative practice number 9. And so what we had to do was that we had to solve 4 times 5, with 5 being the multiplier, using counters and the addition model. So this right here is what I have set up as the equation with a value of 5 times 4. And so 5 is the multiplier and 4 is the multiplicand. And so the next step I did was I had to create 5 group, or no, I had to create 4 groups of 5. And as you can see down here, I have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 because this is the addition model for multiplication. And so when you add each of these values together, you come up with the sum of 20. And so I have 20 counters here, which represent 4 times 5, with 5 being the multiplier. And I just have this portion here just to check my math. And so that is how you discover 5 times 4 using counters and the addition model.